The last section in this review packet is something that really was an issue for a lot of people on the mini celebration we already took. And what it asks us to do is determine whether the system of equations has one solution, no solutions, or infinite solutions without solving, so without using elimination or substitution. This doesn't mean you're not going to have to show work, and we're going to go through the work you're going to need to show right now. So what this means is we want to put our lines into y equals mx plus b form. And after we do this, we're going to compare them so that we can see if there's one solution, no solution, or infinite solution. So let's start with our first line, the 2x plus 2y equals 14. We're going to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So that means we need to get y by itself. So isolate y. I'm going to do that over here. So to do that, I'm starting with 2x plus 2y equals 14. And I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to start by subtracting 2x from both sides. So I end up with 2y equals negative 2x plus 14. Divide by 2 to get y completely alone, and I get y equals negative x plus 7. Now I need to do something similar with 4y minus 4 equals 8x. So I'm going to do that right here. 4y minus 4 equals 8x. I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to start by adding 4 to both sides. I'll get 4y equals 8x plus 4. Divide by 4. And I get y equals 2x plus 2. So whenever you're posed this kind of question, you're going to need to do this for both of the lines that you're given. You're going to need to get y by itself, so you need to get the lines into y equals mx plus b form, slope-intercept form. From here, we can look at our line. So we're going to look at the y equals 2x plus 2 and the y equals negative x plus 7. If the slopes are different, so in this case, we have right here, we have 2 for our slope here, and negative 1 for our slope right there. Since these slopes are different, we are going to have one solution. So we can tell right now we're going to have one solution. If those slopes were the same, we would have to look at our y-intercepts. So if the slope is the same, then we could have either no solutions or infinite solutions. If the slope's the same and the y-intercept's different, then we would have no solutions. Those are parallel lines. If the slope's the same and the y-intercept's the same, then they're the same line, so we would have infinite solutions. So, but for number 1, we had different slopes, so we knew right away we would have one solution. So to recap, after we put our lines into y equals form, so we get y by itself, if we have different slopes, then we have one solution. If we have the same slope between our two lines and different y-intercepts, then we have no solutions. and that's when we have parallel lines. So we can say parallel. And lastly, when we have the same exact line, so same slope and y-intercept, then we have infinite solutions. So that's how these types of questions work. Definitely review this material for the celebration.